In this video, we're going to try to solve this equation here. Note that we are using the absolute value twice. The key to solving this problem or this question quickly is to note that the absolute value of any a in R is the same as the absolute value of minus a. So here we can use this property of the absolute value to solve this question. Okay, so first we're gonna let a to be the absolute value of 2x minus 1 minus 3. Okay, if we let that, we're gonna have, so this problem will be 2x minus 1 in absolute value minus 3, okay, will be 5, or minus 2x minus 1 minus 3 will be 5. Okay, and because the absolute value is always positive, so this is sum b with b greater or equal than 0. Now we can solve, after we get rid of the absolute value, we can solve this question. So first we're gonna solve the first equation, or let's try to solve the second one. Okay, here in the second one, okay, so this is 1, this is 2. In the 2, if we multiply by minus 1, we're gonna have 2x minus 1 minus 3 is minus 5. Adding 3 to both sides, we're gonna have the absolute value of 2x minus 1 is minus 2. But this equation is has no solution, because we know that the absolute value of 2x minus 1 is always bigger than 0, which is bigger than minus 2. So therefore, there is no x that would verify this one. Okay, so this means that equation 2, this one has no solution. Okay, now let's move to the first one. The first one is the absolute value of 2x minus 1 minus 3 is 5. Okay, adding 3 to both sides, we have 2x minus 1 is 8. Okay, now we're going to use the same technique that we used, which is the absolute value of a is minus the absolute value of a, and here we have b is 8. That means this equation has a solution because the absolute value is positive here. We can have solutions. So this means that 2x minus 1 is either 8 or minus 2x minus 1 is 8. This means that the first equation will give us 2x is 9. That means x is 9 over 2. The second one will give us 2x minus 1 is minus 8. Adding 1 to both sides, we're going to have minus 7, and therefore x is minus 7 over 2. Therefore, the solutions for our equation are minus 7 over 2 and 9 over 2. Okay, we can go back and check that. We can check the solutions here. So the equation that we have is the absolute value of 2x minus 1 minus 3. Let's compute that for the case when x is minus 7 over 2 and 9 over 2. If x is minus 7 over 2, so we're going to have the absolute value of minus 7 over 2 times 2 is minus 7, minus 1 in absolute value minus 3. Here we have the absolute value of minus 8, which is 8. So 8 minus 3 is the absolute value of 5, which is positive, which is 5. So that means minus 7 over 2 satisfies the equation. Now, if x is 9 over 2, we're going to have the absolute value of 2 times 9 over 2, which is 9, minus 1 minus 3. So this will be 9 minus 1 is 8. The absolute value of 8 is 8 minus 3. And the absolute value of 8 minus 3, which is 5. So this is 5 as well. Therefore, both numbers satisfy the equation. And therefore, they are the only solutions for our equation. Okay? So the key idea is to transform the equation into a simpler one using this fact here. Okay, note that the absolute value is always positive. Okay, the absolute value of some x is always greater or equal than 0. Therefore, if we have b positive, we're gonna have the equation y equals b will intersect the, so this is y1, y2 is the absolute value of x. They will intersect in these 2 points. If b is negative, so it's gonna be under, it's here, so therefore this graph will not intersect this one and we won't have a solution. Okay, so this is a quick way of finding the solutions for the double absolute value equations. Okay, thank you very much.